Hey everyone, Back Million here. Welcome to our special series where we look at how the rich and famous live. We're talking private planes, huge yachts, amazing houses, and much more. Get ready to be wowed, maybe a little jealous, but mostly entertained. Let's go. Okay everyone, let's start with a bang and talk about private jets. These aren't just any jets. We're talking about the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. For celebrities like Taylor Swift and Drake, it's just another day in their glamorous lives. These jets cost hundreds of millions of dollars and have everything you can imagine. Bedrooms, bathrooms, fancy kitchens. It's like having a five-star hotel in the sky. Drake has a huge Boeing 767 called Air Drake. This isn't just a jet, it's a statement. It's basically a flying mansion, complete with all the amenities you could ever need. The paint job alone cost him a rumored $100 million. Imagine the level of customization and luxury inside. And then there's Taylor Swift, the pop sensation. She's got not one, but two private jets. Talk about living the high life. One of them is a Dassault Falcon 900, which cost her about $58 million. This jet is known for its speed and luxury, but it's not just the price of the jet, it's also how much it costs to keep it running. Maintenance, fuel, and crew salaries add up quickly. We're talking millions of dollars a year for fuel, repairs, and paying the crew. It's a small price to pay for such luxury and convenience. Next, we're looking at luxury yachts. These floating palaces are the ultimate status symbols. Get ready to be amazed by the floating palaces some famous people own. These yachts are not just boats, they are masterpieces of design and engineering. Okay, we've covered the skies, now let's look at the ocean. Leonardo DiCaprio, who cares about the environment, also loves yachts. He's often seen on this amazing yacht. It's huge, sleek, and probably has more crew members than the movie Titanic. And then there's Beyoncé, Queen Bey herself. She and Jay-Z have been seen on some really impressive yachts. We're talking multiple decks, swimming pools, places for helicopters to land. These yachts have it all. Imagine waking up, seeing the beautiful ocean, and having your own private chef make you breakfast. A whole crew takes care of everything you need. Next, we're looking at fashion. Get ready to be amazed by the clothes of the rich and famous. Okay everyone, we've seen how the rich and famous travel, but what about their clothes? Today, we're diving deep into the closets of some of the most stylish celebrities. From their everyday wear to their red carpet looks, we're about to uncover the secrets behind their impeccable style. We're talking about the clothes, the shoes, the accessories. Everything that makes their wardrobes the stuff of dreams. First, we have Kim Kardashian. Known for her bold fashion choices and trend-setting looks, Kim's wardrobe is nothing short of spectacular. Whether you like her or not, you can't say she doesn't have style. Her outfits are always on point, and she knows how to make a statement. Her closet is a dream come true for anyone who loves fashion. Imagine having access to all those designer pieces. We're talking designer everything, from old Dior to the newest Balenciaga. And her shoes? The collection is simply jaw-dropping. Don't even get me started. Then there's Rihanna. Her style is fearless and always evolving. She's not afraid to try new things with her fashion, and she always looks great. From avant-garde to classic, she can pull off anything. She can wear a fancy gown one day and cool streetwear the next. Her versatility is truly inspiring. And let's not forget her own fashion line, Fenty. It's a testament to her unique style and business acumen. Next, we're talking about something I know you all love: cars. Celebrities don't just have amazing wardrobes, they also have incredible car collections. Get ready to see some amazing cars. From sleek sports cars to luxurious sedans, these collections are just as impressive as their wardrobes. Okay everyone, let's talk cars. And I'm not talking about regular cars. We're talking about the fastest, most expensive, most special cars in the world. First, we have Jay-Z. He's a music legend, and his car collection is just as impressive. He has rare Ferraris, Bugattis, you name it. Then there's Kylie Jenner, the youngest Kardashian Jenner. She's famous for her beauty products, and her car collection is amazing. She has Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royces, even a custom-painted Bugatti Chiron. These celebrities have garages that look like they're from a magazine. It's not just about the cars, it's about how they're customized, how rare they are, and the history behind them. Next, we're going inside the homes of the stars. Get ready to be amazed by how big and fancy these houses are. Okay, everyone, we've seen their cars, their clothes, their yachts, but where do they live? First, we have Ellen DeGeneres. The daytime TV star is also really good at buying and selling houses, and her homes are famous. We're talking huge houses, lots of properties, and so much space you could get lost. Then there's George Clooney. He's got houses in some of the fanciest places in the world, from Lake Como to Los Angeles. These homes aren't just places to live, they're a way of showing off. We're talking pools that look like they go on forever, home theaters that are better than real theaters, and closets bigger than my first apartment. Next, we're looking at the amazing vacations of the rich and famous. Okay, everyone, we've seen their homes. Now let's see where they go on vacation. These aren't normal vacations. First, we have Justin Bieber. He's been to some amazing places from Bora Bora to the Maldives. We're talking little houses over the water, private beaches, and lots of water sports. Then there's Oprah Winfrey. She knows how to vacation in style. She's been seen on fancy yachts at special resorts and even on safari in Africa. These celebrities are living our dream vacations. They're seeing the world, experiencing different cultures, and making memories. Next, we're looking at the shiny jewelry collections of the stars. Okay, everyone, get ready to be amazed by some bling because we're looking at celebrity jewelry. First, we have Jennifer Lopez. J.Lo loves sparkly things, and her jewelry collection is amazing. We're talking about engagement rings from Ben Affleck that are worth a fortune, necklaces that would make anyone jealous, and tons of diamonds. Then there's Cardi B. She's not afraid to stand out, and her jewelry is bold. She has diamond-covered watches, huge earrings, and custom-made pieces. These celebrities aren't just wearing jewelry, they're investing money. These pieces are often worth millions of dollars and are passed down to their children. Next, we're looking at private islands owned by the rich and famous. Okay, everyone, we've seen their homes, their vacations, but what about owning your own island? That's right, we're talking about celebrity private islands. First, we have Johnny Depp. He owns an island in the Bahamas. It's called Little Halls Pond Cay, and it's a perfect tropical getaway. Then there's Shakira. She owns part of an island in the Bahamas with other people, including Roger Waters from Pink Floyd. These celebrities have taken privacy and luxury to a whole new level. They can get away from everyone and relax. Next, we're looking at the fancy food the stars eat. Okay, everyone, we've seen how the rich and famous live, travel, and relax. But what about their food? We're about to look at celebrity gourmet dining. First, we have Gordon Ramsay. He's not just a famous chef, he also owns restaurants all over the world. We're talking about perfectly cooked food and desserts that look as good as they taste. Then there's Chrissy Teigen. She loves food, and her Instagram shows it. She's often seen at the best restaurants trying new dishes and sharing her food adventures with her followers. These celebrities can eat at the best restaurants and have the best chefs. Next, we're meeting the people who help these celebrities, their personal staff. Okay, everyone, we've seen the glamorous side of fame, but what about the people who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all happen? We're talking about the celebrity personal staff, the unsung heroes who ensure everything runs smoothly. First, we have Mariah Carey. Known for her diva persona, she has a dedicated team to cater to her every need. Mariah's entourage includes assistants, makeup artists, a stylist, security guards, and even someone to hold her umbrella. This team ensures she looks flawless and feels secure at all times. Then there's Mark Wahlberg. Mark is known for his rigorous fitness regime. To maintain his physique, he relies on a team of trainers, nutritionists, and chefs who prepare his meals and plan his diet meticulously. These celebrities have people who make their lives easier, from managing their schedules to getting their clothes cleaned. Their personal staff handles everything, ensuring the stars can focus on their careers. It's a 24/7 job, and it takes a special person to work for a celebrity. The dedication and hard work of these staff members often go unnoticed, but they are the backbone of a celebrity's daily life. Next, we're diving into the world of bling as we explore the high-end jewelry collections of the stars. These dazzling pieces are often curated by personal jewelers who understand the unique tastes of their celebrity clients. So there you have it, a look into the lives of the rich and famous. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to see the next part of our series. Leave a comment below telling me which celebrity lifestyle you think is the most interesting. Is it the private islands, the cars, or maybe the personal stuff? Let me know and maybe we'll talk more about it in another video. Until next time, stay classy.